Yeah, good afternoon. I'm out here at the park. I've been out to this park several times now with different setups. My 11-inch coil. I don't believe I brought my 6-inch out, but I brought the 10-inch Cold Tech. So change the settings a little bit just for coins only, and see, just go back over what I've done before, see if I missed anything.
Did you want to ride it back while I take him? Or I can take it as well. Whatever you like.
Probably a pop top.
Okay, I'll take him off.
But see if we can't find us a nickel this morning. That was probably it right there, as I thought, pop top. But I've found money next to those before. Yeah, that's what it was. Might be some over here. Oh, there it is. Got us a dime on this one. Finally, huh? Okay, we got something going here. Let me get you in here. A dime. There it is. It's laying right on the surface, I think. It's another dime. And then I didn't have to tear the place up. Okay, this one might be a penny here. Or trash. There's the 1920. I just don't want to dig a hole out in this beautiful little area right here, right in the middle here for trash. So we'll pass on it. Okay, I've dug this little area about 3 times here, and I don't want to. I did a hole right out there, and I don't want to mess up this grass anymore. So I'm just going to leave it alone because they have weddings here and that. And it's pretty nice. So that's good. Not real good grass, but it's pretty, isn't it? So, okay, I'm going to look over here, down in through the shade here. It's about 1 o'clock. Well, I'm going to dig this one here. It's a 2021. Should be a penny, but I think there might be some trash with it too. Yeah. Looks like a penny for sure. I just got guess there's today's catch. Over here. A couple of dimes, 3 pennies, and 2 pop tops. The dimes I couldn't really make out. They're 1970s, I think. I'll loop them when I get home. But with the exception of a couple of holes that I just gave up on, I didn't dig any more trash than that, because the only numbers I did dig on were 20 on up, and that's what I got. So that's it for today.